Just put mothballs in the lime and you'll thank me. It's amazing. To start today's tip, we will use 2 lemons. The ideal is to cut in half to facilitate the preparation. The acidity contained in the lime is one of the main items for this tip. Let's put in a blender and then also add 500 milliliters of water. The ideal is to beat completely until the lime is crushed completely. I'm sure you will thank me for using this mixture in your home. It will be the solution to your cleaning problems. Once it's at this point, we'll transfer it to another container. In this tip, the ideal is only the use of liquid. And for this, we will use a sieve. With the help of a spoon, we will completely remove the liquid. One of the main items for this mixture is naphthalene. We will use a small amount to facilitate the preparation. Still with the package closed, we will put between a cloth and with the help of a hammer, we will beat until completely crushed. When it is at this point, we can add it to the lemon mixture, and the ideal is to mix well. Now we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being one of the main items for use in this tip, for its alkaline effect. As soon as we mix, we will add 3 tablespoons of detergent. The last item being for this mixture, always remember to mix well whenever you add a new ingredient. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Angela Hazlitt. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. To increase the yield of this mixture, I will add another liter of water, and with this, we will already have this tip ready for use. We will put all the liquid in a bottle. In addition to making it easier to store, it will also avoid wasting the mixture. To make it easier, I'm also using a funnel. Just this amount we prepare is enough for use for at least a month. This mixture works for general cleaning, being able to use on the floor, and even bathroom and your yard for use. I am demonstrating the use on the floor being simple. Just applying a small amount and using a cloth, we can completely remove any stain and dirt. Tell me later if you got the result you wanted with the use of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.